You can use bands for assistance.
Let's go. Back and I'm better than ever. I go the hardest. I bring the pain. Not what you used to. It's all part of the game.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Libien Becker Health. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the secret to building amazing back muscles. Pull-ups are one of those exercises you got to do because it works a lot of muscles in the upper body all at once. And that is why it's one of my favorite, and I'm excited to share it with you. And it is great for building strength and definition, if I do say so myself. I'm gonna be teaching you the perfect pull-up technique today. But first, before we get to it, we need to do some warm-up. And what I'm gonna do is use these bands to get my shoulders and my upper body moving here to get the blood pumping so we do not hurt ourselves, because that is important. But for me though, personally, I love the jump rope and I like to get my whole body going when it comes to doing any type of exercise. So I'm gonna start out with that first for about 3 minutes, and then I'll get to the band work here. Got the pump, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna do the band first though, like I said. I'm gonna go with the white here with the resistance. It's a little bit more higher. It's okay. It's gonna, ooh, this one's tough. This is the Harambe system. Yeah, this one's too tough. Let's go. This one's fine, yep. Perfect. Do this.
It's all in repetition, ain't a secret. All facts, up like dress code. Pay me my
a little bit more there. More of a stretch. Active mobility here with the shoulders.
It's all part of the game. Yeah, I just gotta go hard. I just gotta go hard. Go hard.
Okay. That's good. I did bring my water as well, so gotta make sure I stay hydrated. Although it's pretty humid out here. This is my perfect weather. There's also athletes over there. Should ask them to join me. Okay, guys. Of course, different levels here for different heights of people. Since I'm a big boy, I'm gonna go with the big boy over here. You're like, you're not big, you're tiny. You're tiny. I'm huge. All right, you can follow along now. Beginner or not, this is perfect for you, and I will go over it due to what you should do if you're a beginner. So my first thing I'm gonna do here is shoulder width apart with my hands. And I'm gonna bring my shoulders down and back. That is so key. And then what I'm gonna do is tighten my glutes and tighten my core. Everything is squeezed in tight. And my lats is getting engaged. And again, these are the lats. Big muscles you see popping out right there. Those are the lats. Everything engaged, and I'm gonna be bringing my chest right up to the bar and my chin over. It's like that. It's like that. And what I'm gonna try and focus on is 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. And that is good for muscle building and, well, muscle strength and muscle building. Those rep amounts are pretty good. What I was saying, if you are a beginner to pull-ups, you can use bands for assistance. But I'll demonstrate that later, but right now we're just gonna focus on this. Shoulder width, everything tight, bringing my shoulders down and back, and glutes tight and lats engaged.
You know we don't play, stay out the way. Check out this look on my face. I'll come save the day. Give me my cape, look at I'm flying away. 5-star cream of the crop, go and make spot, go and put the cherry on top. This one can't be stopped, giving them shock. It's really like that, don't believe me, just watch.
11, 12. Whew. And then I take a break from there. 12. 8 to 12 reps is what, if you can get to 12 the max, perfect. but that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna shake my hands here until get the blood flowing, and I'm ready to go to do that same amount. I'll do 3 sets here, and then I'll go to the bands. And I'll talk to you guys as I kind of go on here. These pull-ups have always been my favorite thing. Just regular upper body pull-ups. Body weight. I love doing just body weight exercise. And you can really build a lot of definition if you focus on making sure it's intense. You can get a lot out of the exercise. Okay, I'm gonna go again. I'm just demonstrating pull-ups for you guys right now, obviously. But for me, there's a lot that's included within my exercise. I'm usually doing 4 to 6 exercises for that one session of me exercising. But today I'm just focusing on pull-ups right now for demonstrating purposes. Okay, same routine here. I'm in control. And again, I might lose track of counting because I'm thinking about talking, so forgive me on that one. In control, all the way down, and notice how I'm not letting my arms go all the way down like I'm at a hanging. I don't go all the way down with a dead hang. I actually have tension right at the bottom right here where my lats are still activated. My lats are not activated when I come down here, but when I'm up here they are, and that's why I keep them. The rep count doesn't matter now obviously, but let me just go. It is getting tiring, but let's see here. Ready?
You know we don't play, stay out the way. Check
And
out
in
this look on
control
my face.
from the top to the bottom.
Give me my cape. Look
And
at
if you're new, just focus on descending down slowly. Push up, descend down slowly. Descend down slowly. Descend down slowly. Yep, just like that. I can feel that burn myself. It's been a while since I've been doing the pull-ups actually. It wasn't in my routine for a little bit here. Shake the arms, let the blood flow. Now I'm gonna repeat that for my 3rd, and then I'll let you guys see me from behind here. No diddy. No diddy. No P Diddy. Okay, there you can see around me there's a lot of sports going on. Skateboarding over there. School / environmental thing going on here. These guys are some kind of athletes. I'll show y'all. They're doing their thing over there.
I am the truth. Do it now, boom. Heads turn when I walk in the room. All lies when I walk in the room. No lies when I walk in the room. I am the truth. Do it now, boom. Heads turn when I walk in the room. All lies when I walk in the room. No lies when I walk in the room. Room, room, room. Don't believe me, just watch.
Ooh, 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 ooh. I love challenging myself with pull-ups when I'm at special places like a fair or type of concerts, because the military people will be there and they'll have the competitions, and I'm usually there doing, I think last time I did it was a few months ago. Can I remember correctly? 50, 48, 50, I believe it was. That's how much I did. I don't know what my max has been, but that's only the times I like to do it like that to see how much I can do. More water. My mouth is getting dry, so it's getting harder to talk. I have electrolytes in here. I did forget to show you guys my Whoop. I'm pointing right at the apps. Whoop, and so I have the Oura ring, and then I have the Whoop strap as well, and that's what I use a lot for my exercise to keep track of the intensity and see what I'm doing. I didn't start the activity, but again, it automatically tracks activity, and that's what I'm gonna show you guys. Here is my whoop in Oura. Boom, 3, 2, 1, 0. I didn't show it there, but activity starts and it's gonna show me my activity strain. Here, that is 0, and then it's starting to count down, and then my average heart rate, max heart rate, and calories burnt. And then heart rate right now is at 115, and I'm at zone 1 for, you know, if my heart is breathing faster and I'm doing cardio-like exercise, the zone will go up as high as whatever I'm doing is for the intensity. But right now, just a simple pull-up. I'm not using too much energy. I'm just muscle fatigue, which is part of that strain. And that's what I'm getting out of this. Just thought I would explain to you. And then you'll see the Oura. I'm gonna go to Oura right now to show y'all. I use it both at the same time, but this, it doesn't track activity live like Whoop. I have to record it afterwards. If I go here, add activity, I can have it for when I start and finish, and then I'll add it because it automatically starts tracking. See, from 5:41, it's already had an activity. That's probably what I'm doing right now. Okay. Let me just demonstrate to you guys for the beginners here what you can do if you're just starting. There's these ropes here are different resistance bands. Ropes, they're not ropes, they're bands. These bands have different resistance amounts from 30 to 40 pounds or 50 to 60 pounds, but I'm not positive what these ones are. I have to just look at them, put them for you. But for example, I'm gonna use this one, or I could use both of them together, but I'm just gonna do the white one and demonstrate for you. If you're a beginner, this is your key thing. You wanna use assistant, whether that's somebody you're working out with where you put your legs like this and they hold you and assist you up and down, or you just use a band like this. You put it in the center and whatever height you fits you. Obviously, I'm gonna put my one leg in between, and you could get a more advanced exercising system or whatever to do this type of stuff with, but no need to buy it because I don't need it. So I'm gonna see, you see, this is way easier now, very easy. Now easily go up and down. And if this is, I need it to be a little bit easier, and then I put the second one on, but I don't need to do that because they're the same length. Just like that, go up, squeezing everything. And slowly descend, and then you quickly come back up, and you are getting that assistant as well, and you're also getting assistant coming down too from the band. And the higher intensity the band has, the easier it is. And just like that. And what I'm focusing on again is from this position, when I bring my arms down, elbows down and back, I'm bringing my chest up completely like this. And this is what's keeping everything stable. And then that's what's allowing the engagement within the back.